Hey friends, if you wish to install Skype on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the information, I would rather say, not the process. I'll tell you why. So, Skype is a delimited brand. Skype does not exist anymore. Okay, you can go to skype.com, but it will take you to the Teams page as you can see. So, there is no Skype now. Okay, you cannot install it. The only option that you can install is Skype for Business, which is a different product. Skype does not exist now. You can try installing it from Softtronic. I've tried it, it doesn't work. So the new option is Teams, Microsoft Teams. You can use this product. It is relatively more successful and it's much better than Skype. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.